Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of woodworking. Ever wondered how a tree in the forest becomes that beautiful piece of lumber you use for your projects? It's a fascinating process that combines nature's raw beauty with human ingenuity. Well, today I'm taking you on a fascinating journey from tree to timber. We'll explore each step, from the moment a tree is selected to the final product ready for your next DIY masterpiece. First off, it all begins with the tree itself. These majestic giants have been growing for decades, sometimes even centuries, before they are chosen for harvesting. Trees are carefully selected and marked for harvesting. This selection process is crucial to ensure sustainability and the health of the forest ecosystem. Professional loggers come in with their chainsaws and heavy machinery to fell the trees. This is a highly skilled job that requires precision and expertise. This is no small feat. Accuracy and safety are paramount here. Each cut must be calculated to ensure the tree falls in the right direction, minimizing damage to the surrounding area. Once the trees are down, they're transported to a sawmill. This is where the transformation from raw logs to usable lumber begins. Here's where the magic really starts. The sawmill is a bustling hub of activity, filled with the sounds of machinery and the smell of fresh-cut wood. At the sawmill, the logs are sorted by species, size, and quality. This sorting process ensures that each log is used to its fullest potential, maximizing efficiency and reducing waste. This ensures that each log is used to its fullest potential. Different types of wood have different uses, and sorting them correctly is key to producing high-quality lumber. The first step in milling is called debarking. This process strips the bark off the logs, preparing them for the next stages of milling. As the name suggests, this process removes the bark from the logs. Why? Because bark can dull the saw blades and isn't really useful for making lumber. Plus, removing the bark helps in identifying any defects in the wood, because bark can dull the saw blades and isn't really useful for making lumber. The removed bark is often repurposed for mulch or other byproducts, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Next up, we have the head saw. This massive machine slices the logs into manageable sections called cants. These cants are the first rough cuts that will be further refined in the milling process. Cants are essentially rough-cut pieces of wood that are easier to work with. They are then moved to the next stage for further processing. Now these cants move on to what's called a resaw. The resaw takes these large chunks and cuts them into thinner boards, making them more manageable for various uses. The resaw takes these large chunks and cuts them into thinner boards. This step is crucial for creating boards of different thicknesses and dimensions, depending on their intended use. Depending on what the wood will be used for, the thickness and dimensions can vary greatly. This versatility is what makes wood such a valuable material for countless applications. After resawing, the boards go through an edger. This machine trims the edges to make the boards perfectly straight and uniform. No jagged edges here. This machine trims the edges to make the boards perfectly straight and uniform. No jagged edges here. Straight edges are essential for the boards to fit together seamlessly in any project. But we're not done yet. The boards then pass through a planer. This machine smooths out the surfaces, making the wood ready for final use. The boards then pass through a planer. The planer smooths out the surfaces, making the wood ready for final use. This step is crucial for achieving that polished, professional look. The planer smooths out the surfaces, making the wood ready for final use. It's amazing to see rough, raw wood turn into smooth, beautiful boards. This transformation is a testament to the skill and precision involved in the milling process. Finally, the lumber is sorted and stacked for drying. This step is essential to ensure the wood is stable and ready for use. Air drying can take several months, while kiln drying can speed up the process to just a few days. Both methods have their advantages depending on the type of wood and its intended use. This step is crucial because it reduces the moisture content in the wood, making it stable and ready for your DIY projects. Properly dried wood is less likely to warp or crack, ensuring the longevity of your creations. So, there you have it. From a standing tree to a stack of lumber ready for your next DIY masterpiece. It's a journey that showcases the incredible transformation of raw material into something truly useful. from a standing tree to a stack of lumber ready for your next DIY masterpiece. It's a process that blends both art and science, requiring skill and precision at every step. It's a process that blends both art and science, requiring skill and precision at every step. The journey from tree to timber is a testament to human ingenuity and respect for nature. Thanks for joining me on this journey. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. The next time you pick up a piece of wood, you'll know the incredible journey it has taken to get to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. Now go out there and create something amazing. Whether it's a simple shelf or an intricate piece of furniture, the possibilities are endless. Catch you in the next one. Until then, happy woodworking.